Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to expand your WooCommerce store with products from Amazon? Then, in this video, we will show you how to import products from Amazon to WooCommerce quickly and easily. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, importing products into your WooCommerce store is something that is easy as long as you have like a CSV file, which is an Excel file, as you can see here, that contains a couple of things such as like the name, the description, and the image, and a couple of information that could fulfill the form of the product that you need to actually add. But when you try to import products from, for example, another platform, that can be an issue. So in this video, we are going to talk about importing products from Amazon to WooCommerce and make it much more easier. First of all, Amazon is a platform which sells like millions of products, and importing products from it can be very hard if you want to import all the products. That can be like nearly impossible. So first of all, let's limit ourselves with an amount of product that we want to actually have, or basically just import. Now, when it comes to importing, let's say we are going to import 10 products. In this case, we could create a CSV file, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, and make it fill it with the informations that you had collected from the product on Amazon. For example, I want this fryer. I'm gonna go here, I'm going to copy this, paste it here like that, and basically keep doing it as long as, let me just do this real quick. So I'm gonna add here, for example, description. There we go. Here the same thing. This description will contain the description of the product that I found on Amazon. So for example, about this item, you can copy this, paste it here, and as you can see, so go on, we can keep duplicating this and basically collecting all the data about the necessary product that we would like to sell on our website. And once we are done, we could literally just go to WooCommerce. So we could go to WooCommerce, which you could easily download it by going to plugins, click on an add new, and from this area you will be able to go ahead and search for plugins such as WooCommerce, click on it, and then click on Install Now, which will be a button right here, located right here. Unfortunately for me, I don't have the full version since I'm using the local host and it is like in a previous version. So yeah, for you it will be a button right there, then click on install plugins, then click on activate, and it will be activated. Now for WooCommerce itself, to import a product, there is various articles and videos that we made ourselves about importing the bulk products using this CSV file. So you can check these videos out and understand how you can do them. But let's talk about now using kind of like extensions or plugins. Well, if you went here to plugins and you went add new Amazon, and you simply just put Amazon, and as you can see here, let me just add WooCommerce, as you can see. So here, as you will be able to say, there is various amounts of like plugins that might be related to what you want, but not exactly. For example, here there is the WooCommerce Amazon Pay. This is Amazon Pay, not the Amazon product that you want to add. Here, for example, you will have WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace solution, but your own Amazon, eBay, etc. This is like how to make like a website like Amazon, but it's not importing product for Amazon. If you search here for Amazon import and you try to find something, yeah, so there is nothing that this can help you as a plugin in WordPress or WooCommerce. So what is the solution beside that? Well, you could use a couple of extensions to help you do that, which can be in your browser, or you could be using easily this Amazon product importer and affiliate for WooCommerce. Now this plugin is paid, so it's not for free. It is $4.09 monthly, and $49 per year. This plugin is import products into your WooCommerce shop directly from any Amazon marketplace with just one click and sell the imported products as you own them and as an affiliate. So this Amazon products import extension allows you to import any products from any Amazon marketplace into your WooCommerce store in just one click and sell the imported products as yours or as an affiliate. You can add news/update your existing products information from Amazon products throughout this extension by providing an existing product ID. It has many options with which you can import data according to your needs. These include name, SKU, description, price, weight, dimension, images, videos, brand, categories, variations, features, customer reviews. Basically everything. The extension works perfectly on all Amazon websites. This is very important, including Amazon.com, Australia, Brazil, Canada. I don't know what CN is for. French, Dutch or Denmark, India, Italy, Japan, etc. So here, this extension is easy to install and use, has secure imports by credentials, has many data options to import, has an additional advanced options feature to manage your imported product while importing, has easy import functionality from Amazon websites, allows Amazon products to be imported into your WooCommerce store as configured, options in just one click, option to import products as simple, variable, or even affiliate. It has synchronization cron for price, stock, and status feature added, and has a free Chrome extension, which we talked about. It has a feature like an extension right here. You might really just click on it and basically use it. You can get pro version of this plugin by clicking here, and basically this is how the plugin looks like when you open it. So Amazon Importer, as you can see, here it is. Here you simply have to add the link of the product. Here, the secret key of your account, you can generate it in your Amazon account, or in your plugin account. And yeah, you just have to fill for the other information like the price formula, max image count, image size, so you can basically import these informations and keep them within the fit and the the image of your site, so they don't really change much in your site hierarchy and structure. So this is something that you really have to actually highlight. And finally, we'll have this affiliate section, which you could add your affiliate ID, button text, so you can have affiliates within your site as well. So this is very cool thing to add to your websites. It's very important to have, and it will help you a lot. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.